Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm in the house with this beauty right over here. This is the Skiff Knives Drifter that I have here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, enjoy, laugh, do everything you feel compelled to do as long as you enjoy this video, because it's gonna be fantastic. Look at that. This is the best drifter ever made. I don't know, that's my opinion, but I really believe that's the case because it's just gorgeous. Damacore, zircutai, I mean, guys, it's fantastic. For this one, you're gonna need the T8 Torx bit driver like that, and we can approach the handle screw like from this side, like that. And this is done. Just be gentle because these are anodized screws, and you don't want to scratch, mar, you don't want to ruin these beauties over here. Okay, and then this is a spinning pivot, so we might need the help of another screwdriver. Let's see if it's the case. No, look at that, amazing, that's fantastic. So pivot comes off like that, that is beautiful. And next, let's see if we can just open this guy like that. Very good. And the scale just pops out, fantastic. Of course, in a skiff knife, what do you expect? You can have skiff bearings, and these are truly gorgeous. Like, look at that. Ceramic ball bearings. I think this is brass or bronze. Cage. And that's it. So simple to take it apart. I'm just going to take some of this rubbing alcohol here on my microfiber cloth. And we're gonna go ahead and just clean up this amazing knife. So skiff, I had like a few of them, and they were never like drop shot because of I think that the lock bar tension is a little bit strong, but I mean it's not an issue. I think over time it can and it will you know, break in a little bit more, and that's why I think it's not a big deal if it doesn't drop shut. It has like a different action for sure. Like, by the way, just check this collar here and over travel. Yeah, I was saying, you know, this is it's not the case of like a drop shot action for this one, but it doesn't matter, guys. It's just a gorgeous one. So just enjoy the action as it is, because it's smooth shot. This is gliding shot, and that's why I love it. So this is done. Let's just be careful not to touch anything. We have a polished Zirc backspacer, which is simply stunning. Just a gorgeous piece. Look at this. Fantastic. I mean, crazy. And then you got, of course, drifter here with the number engraved on the inside. That's the color, which we're gonna clean. And very good. And we just have this gorgeous, and I say gorgeous, Dama blade. Look at the core, you can see the jacket around. Skiff like mark like there, and we are clean. So that's it, guys. That was pretty straightforward. You got the pivot collar holding the stop pin in place like that. We're gonna do maybe, what do you think, Fab? Maybe do we want to add a little bit of bearings before, like inserting the blade? That would be a good option, I think. And this is gonna go in, and then 1, 2, and 3 drops in the bearing pocket. Then you got the bearing going in. Okay, then these two guys, they just left me. Look at that. So let's just do like this, and let's just do like that. Very good. And like so. So the backspacer is also in. And I'll leave it like that. Then we actually need to do a little bit of non-oil also on the detent ball. Maybe another drop like that. That's good. Then we can pinch this guy like so. Tolerances are pretty tight. I just moved the backspacer. Look at that. Not a biggie. So I'm just gonna put these back in. So this should go. Actually, I can do like that. So this guy can go in like so. And this can be like that. And now just hold them in place so that the zirc spacer is in. I should have probably removed the clip, but it's okay. I'm just gonna hold them like on the side, like so. Switch this bit like that, and now I'm just gonna set the handle screws in one. I'm not gonna tighten all the way down. This is just to hold the parts together in place, so just to avoid like to add extra tension anywhere. Now this is in. This guy is also in and looks beautiful. A little bit of Loctite, blue one, because we have blue pivots. We want the color of the Loctite to match the pivot, right? Just kidding. Don't use the red one. This is like a weaker bond that's getting created, so it's not that bad when you have to take it down. So actually it looks already fantastic. Wow. Let me see if we can wow guys, this is like incredible. Look at this, like very good. So yeah, blade is centered. The action is really, and I say really smooth. It's not drop shot. There is zero blade play. Maybe you can do a little bit less, probably like so, and check for blade centering. No, there's a little bit of blade play, so gotta go back a tiny bit. Blade is centered and blade play is gone. So yeah, you see, like I was mentioning before, this guy drops shot like that. You see, like just freely spins, but the lock bar tension when you release, it's just enough so that the blade doesn't have any guillotine effect. But guys, I'm telling you, this is smooth. Like this action here is very, very smooth. What I can do maybe is just add another like little drop of nano oil on the detent ball, and that's it. This is how it's supposed to be. Oh guys, this is something you have to experience in your hand and to understand what I'm talking about, because it's something else. It's something special. I think only skiffs are capable of having this gorgeous, and I mean gorgeous and smooth action. So there you have it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.